Hello again, this is Renee and welcome to my channel, Mommy for 5 Griffins. I have some Z Gallerie inspired art today, and I noticed that the feathered heart was very expensive. Oh my goodness, so I decided to create my own. It's not as beautiful as the Z Galleries, but it's definitely much cheaper, and it's something that I can afford. So, join me. Z Gallerie had something similar and I really wanted to give it a try. So what I did was I painted the picture frames hammered silver, and then I lightly sprayed the feathers. They're white feathers, but I lightly sprayed them a silver metallic, and now I'm just gluing it down in a drawn in template, if you will, and I'm trying to make a heart, so we'll see how well this goes. Really hard to work with. It seems like if they weren't sticking to each other, they were sticking to me, and they didn't quite lay down how I wanted them to. So I did trim the bottoms on a lot of them. That way they'd lay down much better and not be so bulky. But yeah, you just do this in a pattern that looks good to you, and then what I did was I cut it out and put it in a frame. It turned out really lovely. I didn't realize when I started how hard it would be to get a heart shape out of these feathers, but after doing some working with it, I think we got it down. When I was finally happy with the design, I did go ahead and cut it out and put it in the frame. I had plenty of these frames laying around the house, but of course Dollar Tree has wonderful frames. What do you think? For the second one, I did the same thing. I basically drew a square on a piece of paper, and that's the design that I wanted to go for with the feathers. So I'm just filling it in. As you can see, I did decide to cut the bottoms off the feathers because it was much easier to work with without them. I just wanted to take time to thank all my new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Please subscribe. I didn't realize how much work YouTube videos were until I started doing them. I'm in the editing process right now, and it seems like, oh my God, I'm doing this for hours. So yeah, bear with me. Okay, we're at the end of our project, and what do you think? Tell me in the comments below if this is something that you would do. Hey, it saves over $1,000, so yeah, it's in my budget. Hopefully in the next week I'll have a few more cleaning videos for you as well, so stay tuned for those. And again, let me know what you think about this project. This project, it was kind of fun, but the feathers were really hard to work with, but I think it turned out really nice. Tell me what you think. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.